Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Now, I don't know if you know this about me, but there was a time early in my career where I was a service tech for a window manufacturer. Taught me everything I needed to know how to install the right way. And this video is going to talk about window leaking issues. Now, let's get into this in detail. Coming from a service world, there's different ways of installation, right? So you have new construction style, you have retro style. The retro style is basically leaving the main frame in place. You have a window that has a retro flange around all four sides and it covers that original frame. Done right, your new retro window will not leak. But done wrong, I guarantee you it will leak. Let's say, for instance, the installer themselves yanked your frames out. Right now, all that's left is your stucco. They put a window in and they sealed it to your stucco. Stucco is porous by nature, right? And water can get through that stucco and onto your building paper and then flow downwards. What you don't want to have happen is stucco get wet, gets onto the building paper, drops right on top of your brand new window. If they would have left that metal frame in place, it would have been diverted around the flashing of that window and it would have never gone inside of your house. The other issue is the wrong type of sealant or lack of it altogether. There is sealants for specific jobs. And the reason why is because how does it adhere and does it move? Does it have flexibility? Well, guess what, guys? Vinyl windows can flex. They will flex, I guarantee it. If it's hot and the sun is beating on that window, it's going to expand a little bit. If it's cold outside, all of a sudden that same window will contract. Now imagine what that does to the caulking of your window. If you have the wrong caulking, it's gonna crack. That is a big, big issue and would give a vinyl window replacement a bad name if the installers are not savvy and understand exactly what type of materials they have to use for that style of installation. You could have problems. New construction installations. So new construction installations is where you go right back to the main construction. If you have a leak because of a new construction installation, it's usually because of the flashing or you didn't put caulking where it needed to be, the right way, all right? There's a very specific way to put on flashing. There's a couple ways, actually, that you can do it. But if you're not adhering to the standards, the standard practices, yeah, you can have window leaks with brand new windows. It happens all the time. To fix that, you gotta do it all over again. You gotta either pull the siding, break the stucco, pull that window and redo it all over again. That's gonna cure the problem. The other issues are, it may not even be your window. Sometimes it's a roof. Sometimes it's the building paper itself has a big hole in it because maybe somebody was doing something, they installed a pergola and they drilled into your house. Anytime you have moisture introduced to that area, all of a sudden it leaks through the building paper and inside the 2x4 construction. And you'll notice, and it may be right over a window, and you're like, oh God, it's the window. It's not the window, it's something else, right? But a lot of times the windows get, blamed for things. But anyways, that's a whole other story. All right, guys, I hope this helps a little bit. Doing things the right way has always been the way I conduct myself and the way I run the business. Always do it right the first time has been my slogan. Anyways, I hope this video helps. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.